If I was to describe Jullahas, I would say it's a young, responsible fashion brand with people, craft, sustainability, and positive impact at its core. It's inspired by the Persian word jula, which means a ball of thread. And I believe that it's such a perfect word to describe my brand because Jullahas is the thread that connects two worlds. One world of skilled rural artisans who are looking for employment, and another of conscious consumers who are looking for products that tick all the boxes. Our story begins in remote Himalayan villages where our flagship product, which is the cape, is made by skilled rural artisans. Everything is handcrafted from start to finish. True to Jullahas's belief in being a force of change, we create naturally made products that provide hundreds of rural artisans a dignified and steady livelihood. I love that artisans of India still use age-old skills which are passed on from generation to generation, techniques that they have learned from their grandparents or great-grandparents. For now, our production partners are from different parts of India. So from remote Himalayan mountains to dusty deserts of Rajasthan. These partners create Jullahas's handcrafted products which are beautiful in quality and they are made with a great amount of attention to detail and love. Apart from the fact that it's handmade in small batches, our cape, which is made on a traditional wooden loom, is a zero-waste garment that comes in one free size. What really makes it special is that it can be worn in 15 and more ways, and this always amazes people when they see how it turns from, say, a vest to a dress to a wrap to a hoodie, because every single style creates an entirely new look. To further reduce our carbon footprint, we recently partnered with Grow Trees, which is a social impact business, so that we plant a tree for every purchase that is made on our website. And it's fantastic to see that, slowly we are actually building this forest. And when we get mails from customers about, can I visit my tree or where is my tree being planted, we are so happy that we can actually send them a certificate or a link to where their tree is planted. Although the cape is designed in Amsterdam, we wanted to produce the cape in India because it's home to more than 7 million artisans who are struggling to survive because of rapid industrialization and mass production. But for me, India is not going to be where it stops. I hope to be able to grow this network of artisans around the world and connect them to different international designers with skills in order to create a range of versatile and fairly crafted products, all for Jullahas. I believe that every day, just like me, there are women around the world who make choices on what am I going to wear, and all this while wanting to express their personal style. So my hope with Jullahas is that I can offer each one of you an individual style expression that allows you to feel happier, it allows you to look great, and all of this while making a positive impact on people and the planet. So please join us on our journey from village to wardrobe and discover which Jullahas product is the one for you.